Hello and welcome to today's Denim, the ultimate destination for all your DIY denim needs. If you're new here and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't worry, we're here to give you a taste of what we offer. We're a channel dedicated to all things denim, from DIY projects to fashion tips, and everything in between. Our mission is to inspire you to get creative with your denim and explore all the amazing things you can do with this versatile fabric. If you're someone who loves to upcycle old clothes or just looking for some new ideas to spruce up your wardrobe, then you've come to the right place. We have a wide range of videos that cover everything from basic sewing techniques to advanced projects, so no matter your skill level, you'll find something that suits you. Some of our most popular videos include how to distress jeans, DIY denim jacket, upcycling old jeans into a skirt, how to patch holes in your jeans, embellishing your denim with embroidery. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're constantly adding new content, so make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. So, if you haven't already, we encourage you to hit that subscribe button and join our community of denim lovers. You'll be the first to know when we upload new videos, and you'll have access to exclusive content and giveaways. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the comments section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, happy DIYing!